My hearty welcome to all students to this session on static variables. I assume you are already well aware of what is class, what is an object, what is a member variable. Let us have a look at these different fruits available in a particular shop. Can you list different features which distinguish them? Here I listed some of them. Color of the fruit, shape of the fruit, vitamins available in the fruit, season in which the fruit is available, cost of a particular fruit. How about shop name in which all these fruits are available? If you remember, in the beginning we said, look at these different fruits available in a particular shop. That means all these are available in a particular shop. So, this is not a distinguishing feature. We do have a common name of the shop in which all these fruits are available. Now, here we identified two different kinds of variables. One is property of object like color, shape, vitamins, season and cost. And another is property of all the objects of the domain, which is nothing but a class. Now, what if our requirement is to know total cost of the fruit basket and total number of fruits available in the basket? Understand that above two are not distinguishing features of any single fruit, rather, they are to be calculated based on the individual fruits in the fruit basket. So, again, these two are now identified as property of the objects that are available in a particular domain, and here the domain is fruit basket. So, now let us see the definition of static variable. Static variable in Java is variable which belongs to the class, not to any particular object, and a single copy to be shared by all instances of the class. So now when we go back to our example, here the shop name in which all these fruits are available can be made as static. Again, the total cost of the fruits available in fruit basket can be made as static, and total number of fruits available in the basket can also be made as static because they obey this following definition. That is, static variable is a variable which belongs to class, not to any particular object. And internally, it maintains only single copy which is shared by all instances of the class. Shop name is shared by all instances of the class that is fruit. Now let us see another example. I am proud to introduce a group of doctors who are fighting against COVID-19 and all of them are belonging to a particular hospital. Now let us identify distinguishing features. Name of each doctor, experience, specialization, number of patients that the doctor is attending per day, and salary of the doctor. All these features are distinguishing features because they are different from each doctor. Now, let us see hospital in which they are all working. Is it common or different? If you remember again, we mentioned that all these doctors are working in a particular hospital. So obviously, name of the hospital is going to be same for all these doctors. So it is not a distinguishing feature. Rather, it is common to all the doctors that are there. What if our government would like to know how many patients got admitted per day in that hospital? Understand that above is not distinguishing feature of any single doctor, rather it has to be calculated based on all the doctors within the hospital. Now I think you understood what is static variable. Which variable can be made as static in this example? Hospital can be made a static variable because it is common across all the doctors, and also the total number of patients admitted in that particular hospital can also be made as static. Now, let us see among these different variables which can be made as static and which is non-static. College of all students, college code of all students belonging to same college can be made as static. If the students are belonging to different colleges, obviously their college code has to be different. So in that case, we cannot make college code as static. So in this particular context, it is not static. Now let us see average salary. Average salary of all employees within a particular organization has to be static because it has to be calculated based on individual employees belonging to that organization. Now, exam fee to be paid for all students of different streams. Suppose if a particular student belonging to final year from Gayatri College of Engineering paying X amount of rupees, same X amount of rupees need not be paid by a student who is studying in second year in MVGR College of Engineering. So examination fee in this case is going to be different, and it is going to be property of that particular student. Rather, if you see in this case, exam fee to be paid for all students of a particular stream, definitely it is going to be common. So we can make this particular variable as static. I am assuming you are now clear with static variable. In our next video, let us see on static methods. Thank you so much.